Hi guys, good evening. I'm making another video on my blog, and this time we have received a brand new package. We have recently opened it, but the inner matter is still closed. So I'll just the icon helmet is here. I'll let you know about that. We received it from bikegears.in, and if you want to order, this is a very good website. This is my second helmet which I have purchased from them, and I have recently received this in the morning, and I'll just show you what all the packages content of. So we ordered this Icon Airlift, which is not available in India, and I'll suggest you this helmet is more or less more narrow fit. So if you want to order, you can order one size bigger. I usually wear a double XL, but this time I ordered a triple XL size from them, and they delivered it to my house with no extra cost and no extra duty from US. And I received it at roughly around 24 K. That would be 24,000. And this is an airlift Rubena model that is a matte black finish. So it's a very tight packaging, and the packaging is quite good. It comes like this in a white box, inner white box. So I'm just trying to pull this out, and it's beautifully packed, delivered to me by Blue Dart Tape. To make an effort. Yes, this is out. You can see the box, the icon logo. So just keep this other box aside for a moment. And so this is what the box contains now. I can bring it really close. This is an icon model. You can see the airlift Rubena model which I have received, and beautifully packed, no doubt about it. So let me open it for you and put the camera a little lower down. So this is how we open the box. And while opening the box, I'll just bring it closer. I don't have a head mount, otherwise I would have shown you a little close how it looks, and you can see how it is opening. So let's open the surprise. Wow, there's an instruction manual, beautifully packed. There's an instruction manual which is available here, and it says special instructions, I believe. Head size. So we'll just read. We'll not go into details, but I'll show you. I've ordered a visor also because it's a black helmet, so it comes with the all the helmets of this Icon comes with a white transparent helmet, but we have ordered a. I'll show you the packing. It's beautifully packed with a bubble packed paper, and there is another bubble packed paper, and this is a visor which we ordered the 5D red color. It's giving you a reddish orange look in the video, and we'll just install it a little later, and that will be the part of the video. And this is the helmet which I would like to take it out because I'm making the video from one hand. You can see the Icon logo. It is beautifully there. So just keeping the camera back, and I'll open the helmet. So helmet is here. We open the ribbon. The strings are very nicely wrapped, and here it goes. We can have the first look of the Icon. Beautiful shiny back. It's a DOT and SNEL certified helmet. You can see that. Why I'm not showing you? Because the excitement is killing me, and I want this excitement to be the part of the video as well. So just a minute, I'll just loosen it up and yes, here it is. So here's a beautiful helmet. You can see the exhaust. It's a matte finish, and the best part is it doesn't leave any stain. The fingerprints are not there. It doesn't get attracted to fingerprints. You can see the badass look by the helmet and the logos, the shield. It has air vents which can be opened and closed, beautifully placed, and very aggressive daily wear street helmet. You can use it for it's a 3.2 ounce, which I have seen in other videos also. The weight, it says air icon, air light, and we'll try to change the visor, which I was planning to do in this video, and it says fog free. So you can see fog free and triple XL size. I wore it before making. I tried this helmet, and it was fitting me quite well. So it's a good decision that I got a one size big, because the shell is pretty narrow. You can see the narrow shell, which you can make out. I don't know whether you can make out on the video or not, but it's a narrow fit. But the upper shell part is quite big. So if you have a bigger head like this, like me, I usually am a heavy faced and a heavy body person, so I fit into this pretty well. So I'll try to lift this up, and it has a inner visor as well, which I'll just show you once I lift this up. And there is an inner visor as well. When you put this button up, you can see there is a dark visor which comes down. This my whole thing says that this is a very good I mean, what do you call that? It's Hydra Dry. So, and it's a D-link inside. So you can see the D-link, which is a D-link lock, which is inside, and you can stick the D-link with a button in. Let's try to change the visor. So I put the visor the whole way up. I'll put a little behind so that you can see very clearly how to do that. And it has routine stickers and manual inside, which I'm not taking it out. So that's the part of the whole packing. Right now we'll just change the visor fast so that it doesn't become a very long video. We're just keeping it here. You need to pull this out, which they showed other video. It's just a click. These are clicks which are available. I'll show you on the closer. Can you see? There are clicks. You have to pull them out. These are made of plastic, no metal. So just pull these out. Just keep it on the side. The same way on the other side. So we'll just pull them out and retract the visor more behind and just lift it, and this visor comes out. Beautiful. Very easy, very easy. Knuckle tap. Now we're planning to put the one which we will take from icon further, so I can show you the model which is written on the behind. You can see which particular model I have ordered for my new helmet. So open it nicely and tightly packed. Just keep it aside and we remove this. Not for the whenever there's a new packing sound, they give you pleasure to open. And I don't know whether I have a remove it. I am already seeing the badass look of the visor. Wow, you can see the badass look. It's very aggressive, and it's from inside. It's all dark, but there's a coating of there's some kind of coating. I don't know what. So I'll just put this helmet here, and maybe on this side also. Mm, just seeing how it was because I'm installing it for the first time. So maybe it might not make yeah, it's gone. So this side also. And this. Just quickly remove practical. There's a lock. There's a lock here as well. I'm trying to put it in. These visors sometimes become a little difficult to change when you don't know how to put them. But in this case, I'm little getting more of resistance from the visor rather than the I don't know why it's giving me this resistance. Yes, I think it's maybe now. No. Yeah, it's done. So finally, I can put it down. I believe it's gone. It was a tough effort. I think it's yes. So you can see there's a small hinge which needs to be properly fitted. If not, then it comes out. So this is the maximum click of it. And similarly on the other side, I made some I can clean them. I have some cloth so it shines again. So there are no my fingerprints on it. But I'll show you the final look in a while. And this is beautifully fitted. And so whenever there's a new helmet, obviously everyone is quite excited about their purchase, and especially when it is coming from all the way to from US to your house in India. But I'm staying in New Delhi in NCR region, and I ordered this from my bike gears.in from Mr. Akshay, who's there. He helped me to get this finalized, and nothing much, but definitely it helps you to get it. So you can have the badass look which this helmet gives. Can you see the shine? So let's put the flip back so that you don't get confused again. Let's put the clips back in place. Like this. Sorry for that. There was a phone call. My cousin was supposed to be here while making the video, but unfortunately he was sleeping. So I thought I'll start with the video by myself. But it seems that I'm getting little more, problem. Yeah, we have done this side. Now we will be similarly doing the other one. So this is how it goes. You can do it. It's not nothing major that you need to take the helmet to some helmet expert. You can do everything at home, and it's quite easy. Nothing major. So I'll show you now. The clips and bolts are back. And look at the visor. So I will try to. I just want to tell you that I'm going to customize my helmet with little bit of bits and bits which I've received from Amazon. Alien logo. I found it to be an alien helmet, so I thought I'll put a alien logo behind. You can order from Amazon.in, and you can customize your helmet accordingly. So we can put a alien logo behind, and maybe I don't know if it doesn't look good, I'll remove it. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for joining and appreciating. Please like this video if you like it, and you can subscribe if I'm not a YouTuber. You can understand that I'm not a professional YouTuber, but definitely I like to share some good videos. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.